keeping Southwest Oklahoma safe during severe weather. This is the Texoma Weather Lab.
Hi, I'm Skylar, owner of Sky Roofing. I know it can be a daunting task when it comes to replacing your roof. That's why at Sky Roofing, we take the pain out of the process and handle everything for you from start to finish, including working with your insurance provider. Remember, you don't have to see damage for there to be damage present. That's why we offer complimentary inspections, and never do we ask for any money until the job is complete. For an easy, painless process and a job done right, we invite you to call Sky Roofing today and allow us the opportunity to earn your business.
Well, thanks for hopping in to check a look at the forecast here for the week. I'm Chief Meteorologist Austin Bowling, hoping you had a wonderful weekend. Got a little bit of a break from the severe weather. Yeah, we did miss out on rain chances back there on Thursday and Friday. A lot of those stayed south across Texas. But overall, we enjoyed the cooler temperatures to end the week. We do have some spotty storm chances here to start the week. We'll talk more about that in detail here in just a second, but also another brief cool down coming up here for the middle of the week as well. But first off, we want to thank the folks that continue to support the Texoma Weather Lab and make this what it is, a free resource for you and your family, from these forecasts to the app to the website, everything like that, and the live streams that we have. All of that is absolutely free to you, thanks to these folks that support the mission of the Texoma Weather Lab. First off, I want to thank Emily and the Rustic Ranch up in Elgin, a unique and affordable boutique up there in northeastern Comanche County. So if you're looking for more of that rustic Western flair to your wardrobe, you're looking to add some pieces as we go through the warmer months here, you want to shop their Facebook page or stop by their store at 8209 U.S. Highway 277. That's going to be as you peel north towards Fletcher. You can reach out to her at 580-699-9827. Maybe you're in the market for your dream home or looking to list your home. You want to let 20 years of experience here in the lot market go to work for you. That's going to be the Kim Thomas Real Estate Team. 150 5-star reviews on Zillow. Obviously, she's got to be doing something right. Give her a call, 580-704-9916, or stop in at 1701 Northwest Cache Road. Once you get that home, you're going to have to insure it. Maybe you've got a new car, new driver. Maybe you're searching for a life insurance policy. You want to make sure you check in with Lawton's good neighbor here, Vincent Saylor, and see if he can help you bundle that or help you save on any of those individual policies. He is in the Green and Glass building next to Wright Donuts. That's 2401 West Gore Boulevard. He is at 699-2771. New sponsor here, that's the Drone Zone, a veteran-owned business out in Cache. If you're looking for any of those beauty shots of your property, you're looking for any drone supplies or drones themselves, or even maybe you're a realtor out there, you're looking to scan the inside of a building so that people can walk through it from their computer. He has all of that for you. Photography and imaging right over in Cache. 850-566-3338 is how you can get a hold of him. Big thanks to the folks over at the Apache Casino Hotel on the east side of Lawton, your entertainment destination here in the Lawton area. They've got the Los Lonely Boys coming up here, playing a concert on Thursday. So you want to check the concert lineup there as we get through the summertime, or you just want to have a staycation right here in town. Reach out to them. Have a good time over on the east side of Lawton. And want to thank the OGs of their support from the beginning. That is the Coast Technology Group, getting me squared away with all my technology, my audio, my lighting. Maybe you're trying to help with your computer network. Maybe you're trying to get the audio, video, anything, security systems at your workplace taken care of. They can help you out with that. 580-357-4482 is how you can get a hold of them. As for my main sponsors here, the exclusive roofing partner of the Texoma Weather Lab, they took care of my roof on that hailstorm several years back. Make sure you reach out to them. I know we've had several hailstorms here, eastern Comanche County, Geronimo, up through Sterling. You want to make sure, even though you can't see damage, you want to just have that peace of mind. Click this QR code or call 917-5850. Skylar, Billy, project managers will get on the phone with you. They will schedule that complimentary inspection for you to make sure everything is A-okay. From storm damage to sagging gutters to warp siding, they have you completely covered. Also having me covered, if you can't get me here on Facebook, you can hear me on the airwaves, Z94, KLaw 101, Pop Crush 107.3. Always has my forecast. If we do have severe weather, we're going to go live on there as well. And then again, big thanks to the new Texoma Weather Lab app sponsor. That is Mr. Shane Burke and the Shane Burke Glass and Mirror. And that is the R&R truck accessories as well here in and over in Duncan. They've got us squared away here with the app again, making sure that this is a free resource for you and your family as we go through this spring severe weather season. Big thanks to Shane Burke and Shane Burke Glass and Mirror for hopping on and providing this resource to the community. You are going to get the live regional radar right there when you open it. You can schedule those customizable alerts right when you're in the polygon. When you're in the warning, that's when you're going to get that alert, not when it's many counties away. You're going to get current conditions right here across your area, daily forecasts, and you're going to get that live stream right there when you hit those 3 lines up in the top left. That's going to go right to you. You're not taking the TV off the wall. You're taking the phone with you when you seek shelter. So make sure you download that free app, the Texoma Weather Lab app, in your Apple app and your Google Play Store. Let's talk about the forecast for this week. It is going to be on the warmer side as we see the dry line starting to surge in. So high heat, fire danger, windy out towards the west. We're going to see winds gusting around 30 to 35 throughout the day. Highs in the mid-90s out west, near 90 around I-44, and low to mid-80s out towards the east. As the dry line surges in, the big question is, can we get storms going? Is there enough moisture coming in? Is there enough heat to overcome what we call the cap or the lid, a warm layer up above our heads? And you kind of watch that as the clouds try to billow up throughout the day. Can we break that? So that's going to be the main concern. Now, some of the short range models have suggested that it is possible that we see storms developing later tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours, but it is not a done deal. It is all strictly conditional here as we go through the afternoon. But even my in-house model is suggesting there may be a small window of opportunity, 7, 8 o'clock here around Lawton, Duncan, Walters, for seeing some of those stray storms. Now, there's not any risk of severe weather down in this corner of the state for Monday. It's mainly up into Kansas. As of Sunday evening, there's not, but I would not be surprised to see if the Storm Prediction Center extends down at least a marginal risk into our corner of the state first thing on Monday morning. Now, Tuesday, we expect to see the cold front sweeping through. Temperatures are going to be in the low 70s up towards the northwest, near 80 here around Lawton, and some low to mid 80s off towards the southeast. As that cold front sweeps through, enough moisture around that we could see some strong to severe storms down there around, let's say, Ringling, Marietta, Ardmore, Sulphur, Pauls Valley, out into southeastern Oklahoma, between 4 and 10. Large hail, damaging winds, and yes, a low tornado threat are all possible as we go through Tuesday late afternoon into the evening hours. But behind the cold front, it's going to be much cooler. Again, slightly below average. We should be around 78, 79 degrees for this time of the year. We're going to come in right around the upper 60s to mid 70s here heading into Wednesday, and maybe a couple degrees cooler heading into your Thursday. But temperatures will rebound quickly as we take a look at your Southwest Oklahoma 7-day forecast, brought to you by Sky Roofing. Again, scan the QR code or call 917-5850 if you have any of those concerns from the recent hailstorm. Again, it's the team I've trusted with the roof over my head here at the studio. So you see, we do still have some small storm chances, mainly tomorrow afternoon, all conditional. Can we get enough of the heat and enough of the moisture to spark off storms? I have about a 10% chance there. We'll continue to watch it. I'll keep you updated throughout the day. Temperatures around 80 degrees on Tuesday with those stray storms, mainly out towards the east, towards the Arbuckles. Rain chances still possible, very slim heading into Wednesday, down in the low 70s. We're going to be back in the mid 70s for Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's more late Friday into Saturday, Sunday. There could be some spotty, stronger storms in that time frame as highs get back into the mid and upper 80s. We'll have to keep our eyes on the potential strong, maybe severe threat for storms heading there into the upcoming weekend. But right now, not anything as far as a washout by any means, just something to monitor as we go through the next several days. So again, storm chances not locked in, not a done deal, but I'll continue to monitor the latest models as they continue to come in. And a lot of that will be just watching the temperatures and watching the satellite data here tomorrow afternoon as we go through and see what can possibly get going. I think mainly out east on Tuesday and then stray showers on Wednesday. But after that, we enjoy some cooler weather for the middle of the week. And then we'll keep our eyes on the possibility of more stronger storms heading into the weekend. Hopefully have a wonderful week, and we will keep you updated throughout the week as well. Take care.